welcome all viewers to this edition of my Maths Tutor video solution. And this day we shall be providing solution to a particular question that has been asked by WAEC in recent years. To be precise, the year 2014, the theory aspect question 6a. We have the question: if 2 over 2p, 3 over 2p rather, minus half, 3 over 2p minus half equals 1 over 3 over 1 over 4p plus 1, then find p. They ask us to find p. Now when you look at this, you see that this is an algebraic fraction. We have an algebraic fraction on both the left hand side and the right hand side. Now, in other words, the algebraic fraction on the left is equal to algebraic fraction on the right. And we are told to find the value of p. So if they are equal and we are to find the value of p, then how do we go about this? Now, follow closely. This is the numerator. We are going to cross multiply with this denominator. And this denominator, we are going to cross multiply with this numerator in order to get the value of p. That's the sign, cross multiplication sign. That is 3 times 1 over 4p plus 1 equals 1 over 3 times 2p minus half. Are you following? Now, this in turn gives us 3 into bracket 1 over 4p plus 1 equals 1 over 3 into bracket 2p minus half. Now, what have we done? The other time we used times, and now we are using brackets. We have only replaced the multiplication sign by brackets because we are dealing with algebraic equations, and in order to make it easier, we need to use brackets for easy multiplication and easy expansion. The multiplication sign will not be easily used because we are dealing with algebra in this case. So we have to adopt the use of brackets, as you can see. So 3 multiplied by 1 over 4p plus 1 is the same thing as 3 into bracket 1 over 4p plus 1. So they are the same thing. So let's proceed now. Now this, we need to expand the brackets now. So expanding the brackets. We get 3 multiplied by 1 over 4p plus 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 1 over 3 multiplied by 2p minus 1 over 3 multiplied by half. Now, 3 multiplied by 4p, now 3 times 1 is 3, then we have 4, then p, then 3 times 1 is 3, equals 1 times 2p is 2p over 3, then 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6. Now, what we do now is to collect like terms. We collect the like terms. Like terms there means we collect the algebra to the algebra and then the constant to the constant. Are you with me now? So as you can see, this 2p over 3 is an algebra. So we collect it to 3p over 4. They are both algebra. We're having a variable p. So 3p over 4. Now we are bringing 2p over 3 to the left hand side. That gives us minus 2p over 3. Then we now equal to minus 1 over 6. Then we bring plus 3 to the right hand side. It give us minus 3. So we get 3p plus 3. Now what have we done? Again, I'm reversing what we have done is to bring minus 2p over 3 to the left hand side, and this plus 3 is on the left hand side already. We are bringing it now to the right hand side just to collect like terms together. Collect like terms together, and that is what we have. That gives us the new expression that we have. Now let's proceed into solving. Now we have 3p over 4 minus 2p over 3 equals minus 1 over 6, then minus 3. Now what we do now is to find the LCM. The LCM of 4, 3, and 6. The LCM of 4, 3, and 6, 4, 3, and 6 will guide us in reducing these fractions. And the LCM is 12. The LCM of 4, 3, and 6 is 12. So we multiply through by the number 12. That's 12 times 3 over p, 3p over 4, minus 12 times 2p over 3 will now be equal to 12 times minus 1 over 6 minus 12 times 3. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. 3 here 1, 3 in 12, 4. 6 here 1, 6 in 12, 2. And this in turn gives us 3 times 3p, 3 times 3p, then minus 4 times 2p. We produce 2 times minus 1 minus 12 times 3. Then 3 times 3p will give us 9p, minus 4 times 2p will give us minus 8p. Then will now be equal to 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Then minus 12 times 3 will give us minus 36. Now 9p minus 8p will give us p. Then minus 2 minus 36 will give us minus 38, which is the final answer to the question.